Social media is a 24/7 game. Your audience is online at all hours. You need to be there too. But who has time to post every minute? That's where social media scheduling apps come in. These tools are essential for any business or individual serious about social media. They save you time and keep your content flowing. Consistency is crucial on social media. Regular posting keeps your audience engaged. It also helps your content reach more people. Scheduling apps make consistency easy. Plan your posts in advance. Set specific times for them to go live. No more scrambling to create content on the fly. Focus on quality and let the app handle the rest. There are many social media scheduling apps available. Choose one that fits your needs. Look for a user-friendly interface. It should be easy to schedule posts across multiple platforms. Analytics are crucial for tracking performance. Make sure the app provides insights into your content's reach. Integration with other tools is a bonus. This streamlines your workflow and saves even more time. GetRe is a powerful marketing platform. It goes beyond basic social media scheduling. It offers a suite of tools to grow your business. Email marketing, landing pages, and webinars are just a few examples. GetRe integrates seamlessly with your social media efforts. This creates a cohesive marketing strategy. Section 5, Getting Started with GetRe, a step-by-step guide. Getting started with GetRe is easy. Just follow these simple steps to schedule your first post. First, create a GetRe account. Choose a plan that suits your needs and sign up. Next, connect your social media profiles. Integrate the platforms you want to manage with GetRe. Then, create your first post. Choose your platform, craft your message, and add any visuals. After that, schedule your post. Select the date and time for your post to go live. Finally, monitor and analyze. Track the performance of your posts and adjust your strategy accordingly. Section 6, Level up your strategy, content calendars, and analytics. GetRe helps you plan your content strategically. Create content calendars to organize your posts. Use analytics to understand what resonates with your audience. Track engagement, reach, and other key metrics. This data-driven approach ensures your social media efforts deliver results. Section 7, Beyond Scheduling, GetRe for email marketing and more. GetRe is more than just a scheduling tool. It's a complete marketing platform. Use it to build email lists, create landing pages, and automate your marketing. Integrate your social media with these features for a powerful marketing synergy. Section 8, The Power of Integration. Streamlining your workflow. GetRe integrates with many other tools you already use. This streamlines your workflow and saves time. Connect with CRM systems, analytics platforms, and more. Centralize your marketing efforts for maximum efficiency. Section 9, Embrace the future of marketing automation. Social media scheduling is the future of marketing. GetRe empowers you to embrace automation. Focus on creating high-quality content. Let GetRe handle the scheduling and delivery. This frees up your time to focus on what matters most, growing your business. You'll find a link to GetResponse on this webpage or in the description of this video. Please join us in our next exciting tutorial.